Okay, folks, Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. I am still over here at this undisclosed location. Now, what we have here is a AMC Gremlin X. I always like these cars. She's a little growed up in here like all these cars here. But let's see if we can get in here and get you some looks at it. See the X right here? Yeah, look at the wheels, the factory wheels. Those are cool. I like the way AMC did their wheels. Very cool. Very attractive looking styling. It's got the luggage rack and the little air deflector. Good parts on this car, which I think this car could probably be saved. Now this is a 6-cylinder car, it's not a V8. Let's see if we can get around here a little bit better. Oh man, the damn grill looks nice on this thing. Best I can tell, unless I missed something. Am I wrong, folks? Now the owner of this property, he's standing right off camera. He's talking with a couple of my buddies. He's okay with me videoing. He's been walking around showing me stuff. So what does this license plate say? Goldsboro, North Carolina, bicentennial, 1975. All right, cool. Now let's see if we can get this hood. I ain't real crazy about sticking my fingers up in there with no gloves on. Let somebody else do that. So this is a factory wheel here, but it's missing the center cap. And we continue walking on around. Let's see if we can get this door. Oh me! It has rained so much here in North Carolina that we can't get none of these doors open. The one thing the owner did tell me, he said, be careful with the doors. He said, don't break the door handles. So I'm gonna respect that, and not do that. But I wanted to get see if I can get an inspection sticker. And she will last on the road. There we go. 9 of 86. That means that's when she got inspected. Well, she was good to 9 of 86, I should say. And in the license plate back here says about the same thing, I think. It says May of 86. See, there's the May. That's a North Carolina plate. And there's the 86. So I don't know what happened to this car, but it's been here that long, probably, or real close to that long. Still looks restorable. I mean, you know, I just hate seeing stuff like this. I mean, I love seeing stuff like this, but I hate seeing this kind of stuff happen to these cars. Anyway, I'm gonna try to get you some more videos, some different cars. Let me grab my little stick here. And we're going to try to move on around. See what we come up with on the tail lights. Look to be okay. That one does. This is nice of this gentleman to allow me to video. I go to a lot of yards and they don't want me to video. They let me look, but don't want me to video. They let me buy, but don't want me to video. So there you have it, folks. I forget what year he said this was. He had a story to go with it. He's got a story for just about every car in here. But anyway, Gremlin, I almost said AMX. AMC Gremlin X, 6-cylinder car. All right, folks, take care. Bob at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. Folks, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Most of all, hit that subscribe button and comment. I continue to come into these old junkyards and bring you these cool old cars. And I do it because I love this. I absolutely love this stuff. And been going around junkyards and dealing with this stuff since I was about 17 years old. And I could tell you some stories. But I'm trying to bring you some stories. Some of this stuff is still out here. These cars are for sale. But I don't get involved in that. People ask me all the time, how much do they want for that car? You know, I can't get involved in every car I post on the internet. I'm not a broker. I just videoed you the stuff, and just so you know, the stuff's still out here. So, all right, folks, subscribe, like, comment, share. Share this video with all your friends, okay? All right, folks, take care. I see a couple of Hudson Metropolitans over here. I mean, Nash Metropolitans. We're gonna go over here and see if we can get in here in the woods and video them.